Okay, this is question number 11. This is a graph question. Now you should end up with a kind of mixture of graphs like this. Now the most important thing that I think you need to establish straight away is that the graph on the bottom there isn't out of 10, it isn't out of various things. Because it's time, they've actually modified the graph, the little squares, so there are 12 between each hour, and so each square is worth 5 minutes. That's quite important to this question. And actually, if you count the squares going up and how many they are, there are 20 between 0 and 10. Therefore, each little square is worth 0.5. So again, that is useful to know. Your graphs you should end up with are something like this. The actual answer that's recommended in the Maths scheme for this question here is an answer of approximately 2 o'clock for A. Part A should be 2 o'clock roughly. And when the car started off, the answer should be 1:24 p.m. approximately. What the examiners would really be looking for is how your graphs work and how they all work. And you could be possibly a little bit out on your graphs. However, if you're not more than 1 or 2 squares out, the likelihood is you will still pick up most of the marks, if not all of the marks. It is good to label your diagrams like this, with like walker there and car here. Okay, but that's all I'm going to say about question 11, because it's actually too difficult and too intricate to show you using this camera.